How's it going? This is PM Vapes, and this is mainly just going to be a little troubleshooting type video. One thing, this is the iTaste MVP, and I wanted to kind of discuss something about this. I'm going to remove the Pro Tank, and I'll remove this little beauty ring. This right here caused problems. Not this one, but the other one I had. On this, when you press the button to fire, you'll notice it lights up green. Well, if it detects a short up here, this will light up green, and it'll, you know, when you press it, it's going to light up green, and it's going to stay lit up green for about 10 seconds. That's basically going to tell you that you have a short somewheres, and you need to check and find out what the problem is, figure out what's going on, and remedy the situation. Basically, it's going to keep you from messing up either your mod or something up here, or, you know. Well, I had an issue with the original little beauty ring that came with the iTaste. When I'd screw it on here all the way, and then I would take my Pro Tank and put it on there and screw it down all the way, it would go into protect mode, basically indicating that there was a short. Well, I went to the shop that I bought this from, and I talked to them about the problem, and they opened up another iTaste MVP and took this piece out of there, figuring maybe it's this piece that's causing the problem, because if you took this piece off and you put just the tank on there, there was no problems, it would fire correctly. So we took and we switched out this piece with another one, and the only thing we can assume is that when the other one was machined, it was machined and it was a little bit longer, so or a little bit shorter, or something was off in the measurements, causing, you know, it to detect that there was a short. Not sure if I mentioned this in my other video, but what I had to end up doing was basically backing this off a little bit and then tightening down my Pro Tank, you know, kind of using this as a jam nut on there. But basically, I couldn't let this get all the way down on top of onto the top, whereas this one, I can run this all the way down, run the tank down all the way to it, and fires without a problem. So that's just a little quick tip. If yours is having that same problem where it says that you have a short, but you know you're not having problems with your Pro Tank or your tank or whatever you run on top on any other setups, then your problem may lie in this little beauty ring right here. My recommendations: either call up Heineken and see if, you know, maybe they'll ship you out a replacement, or if you can, go back to, you know, the shop you bought it and see if possibly you can just swap out with a different one and see if that corrects the problem or not. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.